guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about 10 honest lessons that I've learned since I became a content creator. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Support this channel, and always when you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much and God bless you. So today I'm going to talk about 10 honest lessons that I've learned. It's been 4 months now since I started being a content creator, and I have learned so much. One of the lessons that I've learned is that you are the only person who will make your channel successful. Your commitment, your hard work, your zeal will grow your channel. Your family, your friends will not be bothered or will be less supportive, but if you still embrace your channel, you will grow it and surprise many people. The second lesson that I've learned since I joined this YouTube journey is that consistency and persistency go hand in hand. You have to be consistent in uploading your videos, in making videos for your subscribers, because if you don't upload, your subscribers will move to the next content creator. Persistent. Make videos, make good videos that will attract more subscribers to you. So consistency and the persistency is something that is key in growing your channel, and this I learned. When I joined this YouTube journey, I didn't know anything. But when I started, I found that I need to be consistent. You can upload your videos twice, thrice, or even every day. YouTube doesn't have a maximum of how many YouTube channel videos you'll upload per day. You can upload as many videos as you want. The other lesson that I learned is that you will become a researcher, my friend. You will become a researcher. So guys who are out there who are not content creators, when you see a video being uploaded on YouTube, please take time and watch. Take time and leave a comment. Take time and like the video, because that person that has uploaded that video took hours, days, nights to prepare that one video that you have seen uploaded there. So embrace the all content creators, irrespective of what they post. And to you as a content creator, you have to research and see what other content creators are doing on the same topic that you want to do a video. So before you do a video, research, see if there's any other content creator who has done it. If you like what they have done, you can get some few points from the other content creators and add them on your video. That one I didn't know. I didn't go to school to learn it. I learned it when I joined this journey. When you become a content creator, you don't have time to waste. Your time becomes so precious that even people close to you will realize that you are distancing yourself, because any free time is time to research for the next video. Any free time is time to record new videos. Any free time that you have is time to edit your videos. Any free time is time to upload Even uploading a video on YouTube is a task, a very serious task. So guys, embrace content creators. The other thing I learned is that you need to engage your viewers. As a content creator, you have to engage your viewers. By this I mean, ask your viewers what video they would like to see you make. Ask them to leave comments on the video that you have uploaded. Engage them. Let them feel that you're making content for them. Okay? So that one I didn't learn in school. I learned it here. The other thing is, if you want subscribers, you need to ask and keep asking. That is why you see content creators always starting with an intro that says, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, like my video, share my video. That is a way of asking people to subscribe to your channel. So you have to keep on asking. Asking is key. Never get tired of asking people to subscribe. Even you see a content creator with over 1,000 subscribers, over 100K subscribers, and they're still asking people to subscribe to their channel. So it is something that needs to be hapa kwa mdomo every time you start doing a video, because it is something that you need to do it repetitively. Yeah, that one. Okay, so ask. Don't feel embarrassed. Don't feel that you've asked too much. No, ask. Another important lesson I learned is you need to follow other content creators. Check them out. Check their videos. Watch them. Like, leave a comment, and always follow them. Because by doing that, you will get also other content creators also checking out your videos. So it is a way of like connecting. And by this, you'll be able to know this content creator posts this, the other one posts this. If it's about games, if it's about vlogs, you know where to go. And that also builds your channel, because you'll also learn from the other content creators. You can't know anything, you can't know everything at the same time. So you have to look for other content creators and see what they are doing. Like their videos, leave a comment. It is so encouraging when you see a content creator commenting on your video, saying that, oh, that's a nice video, thank you for sharing, I've learned something new. It's so encouraging. So to content creators out there, small content creators like me, check out other content creators and your channel will grow. Social sharing. Use Facebook, Twitter, Instagram to grow your channel. I didn't know that. At first, I thought that when I post a video, when I upload a video on YouTube, it will just start trending. I was wrong. You need other social networks to grow your channel. Like in Facebook, you can reach out to your friends, your Facebook friends. You can reach out to other groups that are doing the same thing that you are doing. You can reach out on Twitter, on Instagram. Just learn how to grow your channel through those avenues. They are there. I've seen people who are doing so well in YouTube that share their videos on other social networks. This one is real. Every content creator will attest that. This one is real. Monetization doesn't come over time. You'll not be monetized the day you upload your first video. It is a process. It can be a long process, it can be a short process. Every content creator is special in a way, and their journeys are different. But when you come into YouTube, don't come with the expectation that you will be monetized the next day. There's nothing like that. It is hard work. It is sleep will depart from you, because every day you'll be thinking, what is the next video that I will upload? There'll be no time for wasting with things that are not important anymore. You will always be thinking, what next? How do I grow my channel? How do I get views? How do I get subscribers? So YouTube will be like the air you breathe. Let me say that. And the 10th lesson that I learned is that don't depend on your family or friends to grow your channel. Some of them will lose interest. Some of them will be busy. Some of them will dislike your videos. But you know what? Strangers play a big role in growing your channel. Don't feel bad if your friend doesn't watch your videos. Don't. Let me tell you the truth. Don't feel bad if your family member doesn't watch you, doesn't subscribe to you. Don't. Keep uploading. Strangers will come who will turn out to be friends, your virtual friends. They will embrace your work. They will like your work. They will encourage you. They will support you. They will always support you. They'll be the first ones to watch your videos when you premiere your video. Strangers, yes. I have seen, I've tested, I can tell you for free. I've seen strangers supporting my channel more than my family or friends. That is honest truth. So don't be an enemy to anyone because they don't watch your videos. Don't. Keep uploading. Keep uploading. Maybe they will come back when you are successful. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for staying with me up till this point. I want to thank all my returning subscribers. Thank you for your support. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for liking them. Thank you for being my loyal subscribers. I appreciate you. For those who have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Watch my videos, like, share with your family and friends, and God will bless you. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.